Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. Almost forgot what day it is. If you're with me here in the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have a lot of people. Does anybody take holidays around here? What's going on? This price action sucks. Good morning to you, Session Flow, Hugo, Luna, Julius, Fat Citizen, Amateur Genius, Billy, Kelvin, A-Trades, Chris 18, National Black Lung, Blissfully Dissatisfied, to Gritty, hitting the gritty out there, Ethan, OK Broccoli, good morning to you, Amateur Genius, Shelly, Yuri, Gary, A. Valentine, Scott Trades, Big Sexy, Luke S., Gold Chess Club, good morning. No days off. I mean, if you were going to take a day off, this... I mean, come on. This is horrible price action. I can't believe the folks want to trade this stuff. This is nuts. Good morning to you, Scott, Alaska, Brandon, Mr. Dio, Leo, Scott, Martin, Skunk, Dave, Video Kingdom, Joseph, Richard, Harris, Louis Van Dam, CF Sage, VIP, Alaska, Rhino, RTR, Brishty, Jarnay, Mike, Last Click, Paul, Stefan, McNasty, Kirk, Richard, Allen, Shortbus, Ashita, morning to you, Maverick, Mr. Moon, Candle Slanker, Chrono, Killer Cow, Puntoleros. Good morning to you, Ron, Mexico, Trade for Pay, Matt, what's up, Worldwide, Mr. 405, Jody, State by State, Carries, good morning, Sweeto, Billy Joe, Trader Page, Fat Guy Out West, G Lines, good morning. What's up, everybody? Got the tunes going again. There we go. Saint says this is the exact price action I'm looking for. ATM machine reverse button trades. Nice. If you're making it happen, you're making it happen. Morning to you, Nomad. Morning. What's up? G Lines, Rips Mod. Good morning, Rips Mod. Thank you for joining us this morning. Billy Joe says my platform was all messed up yesterday. Stared at it for hours and it didn't move a day. Oh boy, might be a little addicted to the markets there, my friend. What's up, Mr. Bugs? Ben, how you doing? Monday locked out until 10:55, up 7:57. Nice. I haven't traded at all. I'm happy that we didn't go live earlier because this is not my type of price action. This is certainly not my speed, not my tempo at all. Market does open here in 27 minutes, a little bit less than that, so we'll be waiting for that. Spectator Sport, I like that. I think that's a good idea. Casey says they're ordering some donuts. Yeah, I think based on this price action, I'm probably not going to go live tomorrow. I do have my live account open, but now I'm kind of second guessing it. I might want to just switch over to my practice account. I'm not really sure. What do we think? I guess I'm going to wait for the open probably. Mag 7's pretty dead here. You know, the best trade was probably the London trade. I'm wondering, SW's probably not trading. Is SW here? Watch Netflix F1 and the Las Vegas circuit was amazing. Yeah, I think it's one of the best tracks out of all the season. Big Sexy says combines only today. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of unsure on what I want to do here. The last trade I took was on, what was it, Christmas Eve, I think. When was that? 2 days ago? I posted it on my Twitter. I made 4 racks. It was nice. Been on a hot streak. Let me see when that was. Yeah, Christmas Eve, dude. Made 4 Gs. That was sick. It's a short trade, too. It's like 3 minutes long. I think the market does some neat things. Thank you for your in-depth analysis there, Casey. Appreciate that. What's up, Trader 007? This market is not even practice account worthy. I mean, we'll find out pretty quickly. I think we're going to get some big displacement here off the open, but then that's about it. I mean, maybe we get some drifty move, but the lack of participation makes this very difficult to trade. And if I wanted to trade like a quick sniper position of like 10 to 15 contracts, I might have some trouble getting filled at the price that I want. Happy Hanukkah. Same to you, Mark and Mouse. Me ripped down to 21,812. I mean, that's a tall order there. You might not get that. Maybe you do. Not really sure yet. This price action is garbage. Dolby Raid, let's wreck this range. Yeah, I'm not a range trader. I'm a breakout trader, so this is just the worst. This is 960 chopping down to 945, 942. Very tall order, but I'm wishful, yeah. Today I'm scaling down to MNQ 1 to 5 contracts max. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I'm debating on whether or not I even want to trade the live account. I'm not really sure. Usually when I'm unsure, it's lack of confidence in my trades. And then, I mean, what's the best case scenario? Let me think about this. Best case scenario, we get a little pop up to like 22,000, then we could short it down to like, I mean, best case scenario, 21,900. That's 100 points. That's best case scenario, I think. I don't even know if we get that. Tricky. 941 holding strong for almost 3 hours. Yeah, it has been. Fat Guy says early morning was good or late night, depending on how you want to look at it. Caught this short. Nice. What time zone are you in there? Because if you are in America, I'm shocked. You're really up for that. That's crazy. Casey says, I've been trying to get better at ranges, so I'm all for practice. Yeah. That's how you learn to trade new setups, is you use your practice account, use a paper account. That way you don't cause yourself any harm. And then you can kind of get better at pressing the buttons. There's a lot to be said about that. A lot of people kind of throw shade at using a practice account or a paper account. But how else are you supposed to learn how to click the buttons, you know? You didn't learn to drive a stick shift by not driving a stick shift, you know what I mean? You got to do it. I'll take a 100-point move. Yeah, me too. I'm just trying to be optimistic. I'm trying to think about what would be the best of the best setup. Like trading up to 991 maybe. I'd say 22,000 lightly. So 991 could be a target. I don't know. Is Bookmap worth it? Depends. I mean, for some people, it's just going to be a bunch of noise. For other people, it's going to be extremely helpful. For somebody like me, it was helpful because when I first discovered Bookmap, I was going to make something similar. I was going to hire some developers to make something similar. So I went and scoured Google for what I saw in my mind's eye, and it already existed. So I started using it. It took me about a year to become proficient in using it. And during that first year, it threw me a bunch of false positives and things that I thought that I saw. But, you know, maybe it works out for you. Maybe it doesn't. Who am I to say? For me, it works out. Am I expecting low volume today? Absolutely. Yes. Very, very low volume. Next week, we have New Year's Day next Wednesday. So both Wednesdays are holidays. I think we'll probably get, maybe we get some Friday trading volume. I don't know. Maybe we get some Monday trading volume. I'll probably be live back again on Monday. That's what I'm thinking. Live again on Monday and then take Tuesday off. I don't know. Should be some end of year flows coming in, but we'd probably see those on Monday. I don't know how many trade. This is what I hate is like, it would be nice if we had New Year's Eve on like Thursday or Friday. Same thing with like Christmas Eve, Thursday, Friday, because then it makes this a heck of a lot easier to navigate. Scott says, Rips was watching Mickey Mace. Is he actually that good at Baccarat? Do you know that guy? Is he for real? I don't know him. I've never played with him. So I can't really comment on anything, but I have theories. He likes to say that he's banned from casinos, but seems to be playing in casinos often. I will just say my personal opinion on that is that I don't think that it's accurate. That's all. That's just my opinion. Anything before January 6th is too risky. Why January 6th? You trade micros? No. I rarely ever trade micros. Dick says, I'm banned from casinos by my wife. There you go. Tops Up TV was talking about the Santa rally on Tuesday, said the rally actually starts on 1226 based on historical info. Yeah, usually. I mean, this could be the pullback to, you know, we could never see below 880 again for the rest of the year. 9 a.m. the new time now? Nah, just for the holidays. I'm not planning on abandoning our regular scheduled program of 8 a.m. I mean, it's a lot to commit to, and I definitely miss out on some poker, but yeah, I'd rather hang with you folks early in the morning. I think we have a good time together. Plus, we get to trade the news when it's there. If the market does slow down tremendously and not give us great opportunities, maybe we switch the time slot, but I think that, you know, going forward, keeping the same time slot makes a lot of sense. I like our 8 a.m. time slot together. I think it's nice. Morning there, Randy. Morning, Kenny. Kenny says, hope you had a great Christmas trips and everyone else as well. Thank you. Appreciate that. It's nice and relaxing. I enjoy the days away from the market. Even though I traded on Christmas Eve, it was a very short trade. I mean, it was like, I want to say it was like 3 minutes long. It felt very quick. Is it cold in Vegas? Let's see. 41 degrees. Rips, did you party yesterday? I haven't partied in probably 8 years. It's been a long time since I've partied. I don't miss it. G-Line says, I like the time slot as well. I prep for the day and get some trades in. Thank you. Me too. Hey, thank you, Holy Earth. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. I didn't think it got that cold in Vegas. Yeah, I mean, when you're driving in down to the Strip, you could see the mountains that surround the flat earth of Vegas, and it's snow-capped mountains during this time. Anya says, morning, Rips. I'm coming to Vegas. Hope to see you play poker. Come on down. Shoot me a DM when you're going to be in town. You see orders setting at 976. I'm not sure what you mean by setting, but there's very low liquidity at 976. There's four contracts on the offer. You have any examples or screenshots of what you're looking for at Bookmap? Is there content like that on your Discord? Not really, no. Bookmap has a YouTube channel that may or may not be helpful. You have to understand, like, I used Bookmap, trading with it every single day. Let's do the math. I mean, it's well over 1,000 hours. Like, for 1 year straight, there's 220 trading days. Let's say at minimum I used it for 8 hours a day. That's 1,760 hours of Bookmap before I got proficient with it. I mean, let's just say that it was only 7 hours a day, which it wasn't. 1,540 hours of Bookmap that I used before I finally got proficient at it. So to think that there's like a screenshot or like a short video that I can create of what to look for that you can be better at Bookmap, like that's just not going to happen. I wish it was. It's the same thing with trading. Like, you're not going to get good at trading unless you trade for a long time. You have to go through everything and see everything. So I wish there was. I wish there was a video I could make, because it'd be super helpful. I'd release it for the community. When will NQ and ES reset? Do they ever have something like a stock split? We have contract rolling. The contract for December just expired. We're trading on the March contract now. March contract will expire the third Friday of March. HMUS. That's how it works. It's the contract rollover. So, I mean, there's contango in the later months of contracts, and that's kind of how we have the higher bids later in the year. That's how it works. It's contango, up and to the right. Vegas confirming. That's exactly right. Maggie says, thank you for inspiring me to learn how to play poker. Awesome. Poker will definitely help you with your trading, and trading will definitely help your poker game. But you should be playing it for fun. Play it as a hobby. Never get into a poker, never start playing poker because you want to make money. It's like kind of like starting to play tennis because you want to be making money from playing tennis. Play it as a hobby. See if you enjoy it. The YouTube bookmap is delayed by 5 seconds, but it's still helpful. There you go. Ribs, thanks for lending me the F40 for Christmas. Wasn't me, dude. My doppelganger who did that. Thank them. And they couldn't do a stock split on the ES because it's many stocks, not just a single asset. Yeah. S&P 500. 500. NASDAQ 100. 100 of those. So they rebalance it, though. Make a 190 course with Lambo picks and sell it to Dumbos. Yeah, not going to do that. Hey, Rivers, what's your opinion on holding an NQ contract for the whole year and just closing when the contracts roll? Last 12 months, one NQ would have been up about 200K. You can do that for sure. Nothing's stopping you. You can also take your retirement account, and instead of doing that, you can invest in the triple Qs, invest in the SPY, VTI, VOO. That's what I invest in my long term. Lots of different ways to invest in the market where you don't have to think about it. But if you want to do futures, you can do that for sure. You just have to make sure that you have the margin requirement to do so. But for sure, you could do that. You could do one NQ contract. You could do multiple triple Qs, shares of triple Qs. Buy futures contracts, like you said. You can buy NDX options, triple Q options, leaps, whatever you want to do. So many different ways to have exposure into the market. Adrenaline Rush says, I'm up 39.71 on the live trading gold. Nice work. Tennessee Rob says, I love TopStep X from performance tracker to practice performance tracking and locking out. I've had my longest account ever, 3 weeks, same account, loving to learn my flaws and fix them. Nice work there, Rob. Gatlin says, RIP. Market Clubhouse, how do it differ from this live? Interested. The only difference is that sometimes, once we cut the YouTube stream, most of the time, almost always, we continue streaming live in the Discord. But I would just stick around here for the free YouTube stuff. Don't bother coming into the paid stuff. Cold Swag says, hit a parlay for the first TD scored on both games yesterday. Paid for all my Christmas gifts. Let's go. Where did you bet that? FanDuel, DraftKings. Do you play chess? I do. Mark says, played a friendly game of poker yesterday with my sister, brother-in-law, and my brother. It was awesome. Of course, my sister ran hot. There you go. Nelson says, do the numbers ever reset? Like Tesla traded at 400 in 2018, then had a split and traded at 100. Will that ever happen to NQ and ES? I wonder how that affects Bookmap. No. That's why if you look back, it was a big deal. I remember when NASDAQ was breaking 15,000 or even going from 4 digits to 5 digits when it broke from 9,000 to 10,000. If you want to see what it looks like, go back to the Dow and go back about 40 years. And you can see the Dow before it was trading 42,000, 45,000. So if you want to see how high these things can go, just pull up the Dow. There you go. What was your top 3 ETF rips for long term, like 20, 30 years? SPY, triple Qs, VTI, VOO. I'll give you 4. SPY, triple Qs, VTI, VOO. There you go. Kenny says, good morning, big dog. Hope you had a great Christmas, brother. Thank you, Kenny. Same to you. Anwar says, your shorts helped me take a good look and discipline myself to just leave a trade when it goes bad. You made such a positive impact on my trading journey. Thank you. It's nice of you to say that. I will say that this, for some reason, people commenting on Christmas, for some people, for some weird reason, commenting on Christmas Eve, day after, on my Instagram, were like, this is a fraud. The NASDAQ's not trading at 19,000. This is a fake trade. It's like, or maybe this is from the past. Crazy thought, I know. like multiple people were like, for some reason, people got drunk on eggnog and they're like, this is fake. Or maybe the NASDAQ was trading at 19,000 at some point. Maybe. Anyway, people were asking about that. I have probably about 150 shorts that are piped up, automatically queued up in YouTube Studio and Instagram. However further back we can go in Instagram, like whatever. I have a social media team that does all these posts. And there's a bunch of shorts that are queued up so that we always have content that we could post daily or near daily. And people are like, this is a fake trade. Okay. Crazy town. Family got me a pic of Trump with his signature on it. Nice. That's sick. That's awesome. You folks ready for Papa Trump to take the office? Is everybody out there ready for this? If you didn't trade during Trump's prior presidency, you're in for a treat. It's a fun market to trade. It's a very fun market to trade. I hope we get the Trump tweet market again. That was a lot of fun. Rips, make this range stop being so gross. No, I won't do it. Hold on, I gotta see this. Oh, sick. Oh, this is awesome. This is on WPT's. See if I can bring this over here. Do. Since we're not, I mean, there's 8 minutes to the open here, but look at this. WPT posted a short. There's your boy. This, by the way, this is 63,000. This is real money. This is real money in play. This is not. People were saying like, oh, it's a tournament. This is real money. We should Rips raid some comments here. Go drop a comment on that short. Did he call that? Yeah, he ended up calling this. This was like an $83,000 pot. Gotcha, Nick. Yeah, he called with one chocolate chip at the win. Yeah, get him, Rips. Good times. That's demo money. You know what's cool? I got a message in the DMs. Hustler Casino Live wants me to be playing next week, January 2nd, January 3rd. What do we think? Should I play on that? January 2nd, January 3rd? That means I'm going to be streaming from a hotel room on Friday. Should we do that? They want me to play. The lineup seems really good too. I haven't been back to California since I moved. Do you expect to trade today, or are you laying low with low liquidity? We're going to see after the open happens here. I'm going to try my best. I just don't want to. This is real money. I don't want to give up real money. I've been on a hot streak, so I don't really want to endanger my account balance. Not that I could. That my max loss is set to 3,000, but I'd hate to lose because I just can't keep it at bay. That should have been a bigger injection of liquidity. Let's see what happens here. Pots are wild on Hustler. Dude, I had the highest, the biggest pot for the WPT stream is a $340,000 pot. Problem is that we chopped it. It's against Peter. We chopped the pot, dang it. It would have been nice if we ran it once there. Shout out from Laguna. Nice. Laguna's beautiful. Does Top Step allow holding trades over the weekend? No, nor do they allow overnight. Unless you're in a live account, you can talk to the risk management team, but you got to have a history. Are the Mag Chick going to be there? Who's the Mag Chick? Mag Chick. Not sure who that is. Did I leave some cookies out for Santa? I did. He ate all of them. If one person decides not to chop, do they have to? So it has to be unanimous. So when you're in a pot, like it has to be unanimous. So if I hold up one finger, it doesn't matter. Like we're gonna run it once. Running it multiple times kind of relaxes the variance a little bit. So it's good to do with larger pots. But if I would have ran it, I thought Peter runs it once. You know, I would have thought that Peter would have ran it once. I was way behind and I got lucky on the first board, but it is what it is. Why did the OG poker player keep going to the bathroom? Guy looked like he didn't want to be there. I don't know if he went to the bathroom. That's Phil Ivey. I don't know where he went, but you know, he's a goat. Those stakes are not really, it's not like super exciting. It's definitely high stakes, but it's not like nosebleed stakes or anything important to the guy, you know? All right, I'm gonna take a quick restroom break before the open up. Be right back. All right, we're back. Oh boy, I hope this open doesn't suck. I just want to get like a quick scalp and be done. We'll see if we can even get that though. 1 minute until the market opens. One more minute. Or if you get massages while playing poker. No, not usually. Sometimes, if the seats are wildly uncomfortable. Pretty rare. I don't really care for it. It kind of breaks my concentration a little bit. Like historically, I don't think I've done well while getting a massage. It's kind of distracting a little bit, you know? Did you wash your hands? I got a clean, so no need. 960 is trading here. Was Phil Ivey a friendly guy? He was. He was. Very friendly gentleman. Very, very friendly gentleman. Sorry. Ah, goodness. All right. We are trading here at 960. Goodness gracious. Nothing's happening. Ah! Let's see if we can make some magic happen here. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Let's see if it breaks out the 75 level. All right. I'm going to try along here. Trying to see if we could break out above 80. Kind of a brick wall we're running into, but I trust it. I trust Santa bringing us a nice little rally here. Need to get above 88. Let's see. I want to see if we could hold this push above 85. That's what I'm watching for here. We ran right into the VWAP too. Okay, adding to this. All right, $2,100. We did it. We had a nice pullback there to like the temporary 8:30 a.m. VWAP. That was kind of sick. Just seeing if there's another opportunity. I wanted to go right to the VWAP. Okay, that's what I want. I was like, maybe I exited this a little bit too early. Like, maybe. I don't think so, though. I mean, I think that's as good as I'm going to do. $2,100. I think that's as good as I'm going to do. Because that was gross. Gross price action off the open. I caught that bounce right at 962. They tried to trick me on that bounce. We caught it. I like that we peeled out too, because we one thing that you could do, if we tried to peel out all 12 lots all at one time, I think we would have got a way worse fill. I was layering on the offer, and so they just kept on grabbing my three, because it was right underneath the VWAP. I think that was nice. Let's see what happens here at 960. Anybody else catch that little scalp? I know that we got the initial in, then we got the pullback opportunity. I'm curious if anybody caught that as well there. Anybody else? Ooh, blissfully dissatisfied says, pass my third XFA. Let's go. Got it both ways. Nice. Caught 600. Lock it up. Nice. W's in the chat. Still holding. Oh, Luna's got the new icon. What's up, buddy? There you go. Looking sharp. Red on a stop, but re-entered. Caught it Green Day. Let's go, Maverick. Let's go, buddy. Too busy buying GME. Oh yeah, I forgot. What's going on with GME? Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna lock this. I'm happy with that. Locking, boom, done. Sorry, can't trade anymore. I'm locked. Sorry if that's gonna offend some people out there, but I'm locked out in my live account now for the rest of the day. Is what it is. Hate me. Go ahead, I dare you. Oh my gosh. Look at GME. Shorted my sell. Nice. That worked very, very nicely. 990 down to about a 30 handle trade there. Where do I find the bubble maps? Here, book map. Right there. What's up, Mike Trades? That's so rude. That's like winning one pot and leaving the poker table. It's called a hit and run in poker. I mean, if there was more liquidity today, I would stick around, but we got our points. I wanted to get one quick scalp there off the open, and that's what we got. So I'm not going to be greedy, you know? So offended watching you make smart account decisions. Log yourself responsibly, geez. You know what I will say is that if we were trading this across 20 accounts, that would be a $40,000 day. I keep thinking about this 20 account thing, I swear. It's just something, it's a feeling I can't shake. It's a feeling I can't shake. I know. Oh. What did I miss? What broker lets you lock? Tell me. TopStepX. You have to earn a live account though. You can't just deposit money. That's the only thing. 20 account, let's go, dude. Every single time, like, dude. Okay, so this would be a $40,000 day on Christmas Eve. That would have been an $80,000 day. I mean, I'd be up 500K in like the last 15 trading days. And this is all in my live account. Like, you know, like this is my live account. This is not, can't be funny money. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't fake this stuff. You can't fake the funk. My live account. Can't fake the funk over here. You see what I'm saying? You can't Photoshop this one. And you see the trades, every single one start to finish. Can't fake that funk. Well, this was unexpected. We are actually holding still above 960. If we push through 22,000 here, I would be quite disappointed because now the liquidity is starting to show up. We do have a lot of shorts to break through. They have some stupid rules though. Best day can't be more than 30% of your total profit. Stupid. Well, let's see. What if my total profit is $1 million? 300K, 15K per account. I mean, come on. I could do that. That's fine. I feel like I could get like a couple million out of a withdrawal from that. I feel like I could. Maybe I'm pretty stupid, but you know, I feel like I could. Ribs coming to the dark side 20 account. I don't know. I'm just thinking some things, you know. Not haven't made up my mind about anything. Good luck getting paid. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I don't know. I have no idea. I've only traded on Top Step, really. I traded on Apex one single time back in June. And I got a payout. I mean, that's over a year ago. Obviously, things have changed, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm just talking it out with my buds here in the morning, you know? We're just talking it out as friends. I trade 10 accounts, 5 micros for each. 5 micros each for size. A nice way to trade a cumulative 5 lot and not risk the accounts too much. See, I like that. You're spreading your risk. Anybody still long in these markets? This is interesting. That we're actually holding these pushes and we're not like having harsh rejections. This is very interesting. I think that we might actually go down up to 22,100 now. If we're not getting any harsh rejections above 22,000 here. I'm happy I'm locked up though. For me to even trade my live account today was kind of a Christmas miracle. I really didn't expect to. Dirt Track Racing says, I'm an Apex admin. The new rules are pretty decent. 5 days of 50 and 3 flip days per pay period. Yeah, I gotta look into it. Look, I'm just chatting it up with my buds here in this morning. I have no idea. I have not looked into anything, so I'm just chatting it up here. Holding one right now. Good luck for you, Tommy. This is interesting. I'm just watching this price action. Very interesting right now. Did GME halt? Let me see. Yeah, it did halt, right? I feel like GME just doesn't have it in it anymore. They did a split too, didn't they? Could have sworn they did. There was a time and a place when trading GameStop was a heck of a lot of fun. This is pulling back here. Are you done with Top Step exclusively? I've never, look, it's my personal choice, whoever I want to trade with. I currently trade only on Top Step. Exclusively, I mean, the only company that I've traded with since June 2023 is Top Step. I have not even looked at other people's rules. I have not looked at anything. Not even opened up websites of other prop firms. I've been, just focused. Like, I want to be a good trader and I want to set a good example. That's it. That's been my primary focus. That's it. Van Bus says, fresh XFA, do we take the payout today or hold till 10K and take our max 5K payout? Dude, you take the payout today. You're crazy. Pass an eval, let's go. Nice work there, Brandon. What we'll consider as a good trader? I don't know. I'm just trying to be the best I can be. I'm just out here clicking buttons. I never claimed to be the best trader or anything like that. I'm just out here pressing buttons, streaming the journey. That's it. Yeah, Van Busk, you ought to take the payout there, buddy. Looks like you're up about $6,000 in the account. Take a nice $3,000 payout for yourself. Take payment the moment you can. I'm banned. Really? Banned from what? Where are you banned from? I requested a payout before blowing my account. Will I be paid? Did they remove the funds before you blew the account? Merry Christmas to you, RJ. Thank you. Banned all caps. Oh. I think Ripsmod will be fine with that one. Top Step is definitely one of the best. Just wish they would have some deals once in a while. I've never known them to do deals, and you get what you pay for, right? Consider that affiliate pay you could get. I get offers every single day from some company trying to pay me some money. Every single day. Every single day. There's a prop firm or an indicator. Everybody except for Monster and Celsius is trying to give me money. Believe it or not. I get offers every single day. I haven't really paid attention to them. Why did they move to 5K max payout per account? I have no idea. Probably to cut down on people who are using... I have no idea. Literally have no idea. I'm the wrong person to ask about that. I'm not an employee of that company. I'm just an affiliate. Could you do a Monster sponsorship if they offered? I met the dude who does that in Vegas 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago. So we'll see if anything comes from that. Top Step is the best overall. There's no ifs or buts about it. Every rule has different rules based on what they have to offer. Yeah. And the thing is, like, I've never looked at anything else. All I think about is like the 20x multiplier. It's pretty cool. If it's you could actually do that and actually get paid that, like, that seems pretty dang cool to me. Oh, we are coming down now. I'm happy I locked up. That looked really weird over 22,000 that we weren't flushing quickly. Let's see if we actually pull back below 70 here, though. This is like oddly range bound, but also there are opportunities. I mean, if you're scalping, you could definitely make money on this tape. It's not too thin where you are going to have trouble getting fills, but it's also, I would say that this is probably a 7 out of 10 difficulty, this tape right now. It's the pops that make it difficult. Am I using moving averages? I do. The ones on the screen right now that you can see are the 7, the 20, and the 50. Or is it the 9? Might be the 9. It's the 9. The 9, the 20, and the 50. Ribs Red Bull sponsor would be dope. Yeah, I mean, I drink Celsius, I drink Ghost, and Monster. I drink Red Bull when I play poker, but that's... Well, actually, I don't want to say anything bad in case they do give me a sponsor. I love Red Bull. Boy, I love Red Bull. It's the best. Red Bull is delicious. I love me some Red Bull. In fact, boy, do I love the taste of sugar-free Red Bull. It is delicious. Ismail says, Merry Christmas from your Mexican neighbor trader in development. Nice. Feliz Navidad, mi amigo. What is about the 9, the 20, and the 50 you like? It's just out of habit. 9, 20, 50, and 200 is usually what I'm using. You can find moving averages that work for you, but I've found that they're often respected in the futures world, the 9, the 20, and the 50. Casey Casual says, when TopStep does daily pay, no activation fee, fast minute to minute, most times support, then they'll be more than top 3. Love TopStep, Blue Sky, and take profit above for sure. Yeah, again, I have not had any experience with any other props, so I can't really comment on that stuff. I've only had a good experience trading on TopStep. I will say that. I've only had a good experience, and I will always keep it real with everybody in here. I have only had a good experience trading on TopStep. Do you know Stock Market Wolf, he had the same levels as you? Which ones? Which levels? I mean, I don't share levels with anybody. Whatever you do, good luck on your journey. Everyone needs to take account their own circumstances and make the best of it. I feel like we make the best of it every single morning in here. We have a great time. Stock market won't be jacking rips. I don't know anything about their levels. Feliz Navidad, rips. Bendiciones. TPT has an awful intraday trailing drawdown when funded. Interesting. Yeah, I never looked at any other firms. I mean, I just trade, you know. That's all I do. I come on and I trade. That's it. SW, I see you, buddy. Where you been? Did you catch this 300-point flush, or were you sleeping? Casey says, I like TopStep, but we got to put pressure on props that think they're kings so the company can compete. You're here to get corporations to compete, not become friends. Yeah. I just want to trade whomever supports my trading style the most. And I want to make the most money possible, right? As a trader. So I'm doing well with TopStep. We're on quite the run here. How long have you been trading futures? I mean, I started trading futures a long time ago, but I didn't make that my primary focus for a big portion of my trading career. I focused heavily on trading equities, long and short, and options, long and short. Puts, calls, shorting puts, shorting calls. As a trader, what's your views on the Indian market? I don't have any views. I don't really pay attention to the Indian market. So I can't comment on that, unfortunately. SW says, hope everyone is good. Just about to fly home. Nice. Are your pilots traders at all? What are you taking today? I'm guessing if it's a short flight, you're probably doing a CJ3 SW. That's what I'm guessing. Like a CJ2, CJ3 probably. Intro says, up 3K on a new combine. Couldn't hold back on a good trade, but how much do I need to make tomorrow to pass in 2 days? What size is your combine? Is it a 50K? If it's a 50K, you need to make only $1,500. If you're making 3K today, you're going to have to make another 3K in the account to pass it, which is difficult. If you want to have that challenge, wow, we're pulling back heavily now. If you want to have that challenge, go for it. But I would say just flip contracts. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell in rapid succession, and you'll see your P&L go down and get it right around $1,500. Don't overshoot it so then you go down to only $1,000 profit, but get down to $1,500 in profit. Flip contracts. Don't try to do a losing trade. You just waste your time. But buy one, sell one, and you'll see your P&L go down. Just back to back in rapid succession. If you're not seeing it go down fast enough, do 2 contracts. Buy 2, sell 2, buy 2, sell 2, buy 2, sell 2. And do market orders. Buy 2 at the market, sell 2 at the market. Buy 2 at the market, sell 2 at the market. You'll see your P&L go right down. Long, by the way, all I'll say before I get fired up, I love MP, but if he was really about the risk settings ECT to help, he'd have done that in the beginning. All prop CEOs started these companies to capitalize on failure. I don't know. I feel like there are good people out there in this world. Let's all keep it positive this morning. How about we focus on keeping it positive? It's the day after Christmas. Wow, we are really coming down. Anybody short this move? Good golly, that would have been a nice, easy trade, huh? In hindsight, of course. Looks so easy when it bleeds this hard. Boy, good golly. I feel like SW, this is a move that SW hits. It flies, it dies. Nice. Nice work there. Just caught that short to get 2 XFA payouts. Let's go, Brian. That feels good. Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up. You ought to lock it up. Lock it up when you get the chance to lock it up. Please. Carl Hungus in the building. Dude, I was cracking up. You posted that GIF on my Twitter reply. I was dying. That's probably the funniest DJ Khaled gift I've ever seen. The funniest thing I've ever seen. I was dying laughing. The way his eyes are in that GIF. I was literally laughing to tears. So good. It's so good. Good to see you, buddy. Raciel says, man, if it wasn't for Top Step trading, wouldn't even be an option. Oh, if it wasn't for Top Step trading, wouldn't even be an option for me. So I'm very thankful for them. Yeah. Yeah, I think the opportunities that you have on something like Top Step is amazing. Got more in the hopper for you? Thank you, buddy. Can't wait to see them. But yeah, you know, this is probably where I'm going to call it. Let's see. Is there any other news coming out today? This market is doing exactly what I thought it would. I mean, if this breaks like 21,900 and it keeps going, I'd be shocked. But, you know, I'm often wrong. Problem is the S&Ps are not getting over the VWAP. Nvidia's coming down. Meta, Microsoft, Google, everything coming down. I feel like somebody's going to bid it at some point, right? You would think. You would think somebody's going to bid this market at some point. Somebody's got to bid this thing. I just remembered. I want to get my cars washed today. Hold on. Doom, doo, 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 doo. All right. Thanks for doing you, Rips. It's been a great year. Looking forward to the next. Yeah, I'm excited. I think 2025 is going to be the best year for everybody. For a lot of different reasons. The world is healing. We've been living in some type of fever dream for a little bit of time. And I'm happy to get back to normality a little bit. Or at least it feels like that. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, but... Oh, here's 900, by the way. Yo. I'm excited for the world to get back to a certain way. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, I didn't expect this at all. This is why I said I'm wrong often. This thing just fell right out of bed. What a huge short that was. Oh my. I imagine that somebody is nailing this trade right now. The short above 22,000, they're just holding this thing. 130 points. G-Line says, locking it up. My goal is 200 plus in my 5 XFAs every day, which is good money of $1,000 a day. You're dang right it is. Nice work there, buddy. 15 points shorting NQ. Nice, Randy. This is a Santa bleed, not a Santa rally. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Short from 951. Nice work, Slothfather. Good to see you, buddy. The red candle knife through my desk. Yeah, it sure did. This is some wild price action. I didn't expect this at all. I guess we could have seen some type of details on the tape, but with such low liquidity, you know. We broke a big support level in the S&Ps here. The kind of support that we were holding all morning long. We're seeing pullbacks. I mean, Mag 7 has a lot of confluence here, so we're seeing some nice pullbacks here. Rudolph's nose must have burnt out. Now Santa's lost. That's good. All right, that went too fast. Lock it up this one. Wow, look at everybody just killing it here. Isn't that too much, Fat Citizen? Isn't that too much? Isn't that too much? Got the short to pass the combine. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, make sure you flip contracts there. Locked out. What a relief. Telling me the crap is full. Is it capitalizing on failure or is it magnifying our own risk decision? Oh, I see what you're saying. Talking about the prop firm discussion. Mike Buck says someone definitely caught that with big lot size. Yeah. Wasn't me. It wasn't me. Now my $2,100 looks a little bit on the small side. Am I done trading for the day? Well, I'm locked out, so I'm done trading on real money. I like to cut it when things are on a good note. I guess I could have kept it open, but I don't know if I would have caught that, to be honest. I could have probably chased that around like 935, got that bump up to 55, and probably got stopped out. I don't know. Who knows? I wasn't really focused on watching the tape for trades, so me personally, I don't know if I would have caught that. If I would have kept my account open, maybe I'm watching the tape, maybe I would have got faked out. Maybe I would have seen along. Maybe I would have lost all my profits. You never know. I wasn't there for you. You know what I mean? Up 1.3K and locked out. Nice work there, Mr. Kevin Cook. Once you pass the combine, does the monthly fee continue? No. Once you pass the combine, you go into the XFA. You pay one lifetime fee for your XFA. There is no monthly fee on the XFA, which is another beautiful thing. You only have to put in one trade every 30 calendar days in your XFA for it to stay active. And you'll get there. If you're an active trader, you will absolutely meet the criteria for keeping your account open. If you're missing out, plus 7562 on 10 accounts. Nice work there, Marcus. Let's go. Nice $75,000 day for you. Literally tick to that MC level. How dare the market makers use the MC levels? I'm sick and tired of them using it. Kind of annoying. Oh my God, they really did. What the heck? Is that for real? No. Oh my God, to the tick. They're sick, aren't they? That is so funny. Oh, that's funny. You know, that's just, and then right to the next one too. They ought to stop using our levels. They don't give us any credit. Kind of annoying. MC level, market clubhouse level. Every single morning I release a memo that has levels for the NQ, the S&Ps, and often they trade right to the tick. Just the way that it works. It's just the way that it happens sometimes. Kind of annoying. Kind of annoying when they use it exactly. Thanks, Rips. Love the show. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate you. Only problem with moving to another firm is no Top Step X. Yeah, I love Top Step X. I love trading on Top Step X. It's lovely. I'm doing well with it. I mean, you see my results. Post them. We take trades live together, you know? The moment you fail PD high like we did in the overnight session, you just know what New York will do, especially as the only was just above it anyway, taking off. All right, SW, tell your pilots to fly safely there. You never told me what you're in. Is it a CJ2? Phenom 100? What kind of jet you in today, buddy? You big baller, you. You never told me what kind of jet it was. And did you get a nice caramel macchiato from your attendant there? You probably got it. You know, knowing you, and it's Christmas time, you probably splurge a little bit. You're probably in that G550 with the couch. I know you. I know what you're up to. Nice work, SW. TopStep doesn't pay the activation fee back on the first payout. Still the best E-prop out there. Yeah, they used to do that. Wow, what a bounce, by the way. Oh my goodness gracious. What a freaking bounce. Well, we got the 7 a.m. hour. I'm sorry, 10 a.m. hour. Not Pacific time. 7 a.m. hour coming in hot here. Let's see what shakes out. Uh, 5 seconds. Let's see if we get a nice print here. A little bit of a rejection. Yeah, nothing doing. SW, looks like you made, what is that, $1,300? Nice. I can't even see that. Too small. $1,300. Nice work there, buddy. Way to go. That's what I'm talking about. That'll cover your tip for your attendant on your G550 today. That'll cover your whatever you're going to tip to your flight attendant. Good for you, buddy. Way to go. It might even cover the cost of that coffee that you're getting on your G550 today. Very nice. All right, everybody. It's been fun. Thank you for joining me today on our special day after Christmas stream that we started a little bit late. We're locking up here with $2,100 in profit. If you missed the trade, you can rewind the stream. Go back and watch it if you missed it. Tomorrow, up in the air if we're going to have a stream, but probably not. We'll probably be back on Monday. So stay tuned to Twitter if you want to know if I'm going to be streaming tomorrow. Or you could just come to the YouTube channel and see. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. We're almost at 10,000 followers on Instagram. It's @sellingribs. Easy to find. I do have the blue check mark everywhere. So that's how you know it's me. If you ever get messaged by somebody named Ribs, they don't have a blue check mark, it ain't me. I don't have any alternate accounts. It's never going to be me. They're trying to scam you, so don't fall for that crap, okay? All right, everybody. Merry Christmas. Hope to see you soon. Maybe today. Maybe tomorrow. I'm sorry. Hope to see you maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Goodness. I'm still in holiday mode, but thank you, everybody. Folks on Discord, I mean, that's it for me, too. Sorry to cut things short, but that's my day. I'm not going to trade anymore, so. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We'll see you bright and early. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe on Monday. If I don't see you, have a great weekend. Remember, don't drink and drive. Don't party too hard. I'll see you back here soon. Take care, everybody.